I might go too fast. I don't care about those limits, 'cause I want this to last like nothing ever lasts before. I might go too fast.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. In today's video, I am going to be bringing you some morning speed cleaning motivation. I decided to start in the bedroom today just to kind of mix it up, and also there really wasn't much to do in the bedroom or the bathroom, so I wanted to go ahead and get these areas done. The only thing I really needed to do in the bedroom was just make the bed, and there were a couple of things on the nightstand that I wanted to go ahead and get put away, so I decided to start with the bed.
I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you. Don't wanna go too fast, 'cause I know that people get scared sometimes. Hope it's not this time, 'cause I might go too fast.
Moving on into the bathroom, there really wasn't hardly anything in here that needed to be done. Just kind of tidy everything up, and there were a few products that I had used the night before bed and this morning just to get myself ready. So I'm going to go ahead and put those away.
Have you even noticed? I'm thinking.
Now that the bedroom and bathroom are done, I'm going to be moving into the main living areas of our home, and I decided to start in the living room. As you can see, there's not much to do here either. Just straighten up the pillows and fold a blanket, but I wanted to start here. That way I could build the motivation for the kitchen and the dining room.
I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you.
Moving into the kitchen, I wanted to start by getting everything off the countertops. So I started with the island, put all of that stuff away, and then I had some clean dishes that I needed to put away as well.
Are you feeling the same way I do? Are you thinking about me? Are you thinking about me? I'm having a hard time not doing anything. I'm living thinking about you. So are you thinking about me? 'Cause I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you. Cause I've been thinking about you.
We've been here too long. I can't breathe, I can't take it slow. We're far away from home, but I can't wait to get you under my skin and right back to where we've been. Ooh, nah, nah. Give me a sign and tell me when to begin. 'Cause every time we leave, I'm longing back.
I had ran the dishwasher the night before, and I wanted to go ahead and get all of those dishes put away before I started on the dishes that are in the sink. That way I can load everything in the dishwasher that I can.
Only together at its best. Oh. Let me know now. Let me know now, now, now. Give me a sign. Let me know now, now, now. Let me know now. Let me know now, now, now. Give me a sign. Let me know now, now, now. I never needed love until I saw and I met your eyes. That's why I'm moving close, to be here and to get you under my skin and right back to where we've been. Ooh, nah, tell me when to begin. Cause every time we leave, I'm longing back to the place where the lights go down. Just you and I leaving out the rest. Oh, so that I need is you in my bed. Give me a sign more than in your head. Lonely together at its best. Oh, let me know now. Let me know now, now, now. Give me a sign. Let me know now, now, now. Let me know now. Let me know now, now, now. Give me a sign. Let me know now, now, now. Oh, let me know now, now, now. Oh, oh. To be here and to get you under my skin and right back to where we've been.
Now that all of the clean dishes are put away, I'm going to go ahead and get started on the dishes that are in the sink. So I'm just going to start by loading everything that I can.
Let me know now, now, now. Give me a sign. Let me know now, now, now. Let me know now. Let me know now, now, now. Give me a sign. Let me know now, now, now. Let me know now. Let me know now, now, now. Give me a sign. Let me know now, now, now. Let me know now. Let me know now, now, now. Give me a sign. Let me know now, now, now. Nobody told me to settle down. Day nights and late nights don't get around. But there's something about you, something about you.
There were only a couple of dishes that I had to wash by hand, so as soon as I finished washing those, I went and grabbed a clean towel and dried them and got them put away.
The love we found is something about you, something about you I like, about you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Guess I'm just too scared to settle down. There'd be many nights I got too high and almost left town.
Now that all of the dishes are cleaned and dried and put away, I'm going to wash out the sink. I'm just using some dish soap to wash it out since it was still the morning and we'd be using the sink throughout the day. So I just did a quick wash of the sink.
Die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better.
Now I'm just getting my kitchen e-cloth really wet. That way I can wipe down all of the countertops, and I am going to be using the Mrs. Meyer's lavender spray just to kind of freshen everything up and give it a nice smell.
I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better.
I wanna be a weekend lover. Yeah, I'ma be the best damn lover you got. I wanna mess up your covers. You love. I don't wanna meet your mother. Never ever ask me how I've been. what you can do. The way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark.
The last area that I needed to clean was in the dining room, and no surprise that there's a ton of stuff on the dining room table. We don't typically eat here since it's just me and my husband, so it tends to collect a lot of stuff, and I had gone shopping, so those items were just still on the table as well, so I'm going to get all of this put away.
Here's your time to shine. Show me what you can do. Make a move. The way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling. Every breath that we're taking, with every step you're falling in love. With every move that I'm making.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. It really means so much to me that you support me and my channel. If you enjoyed this video and if it motivated you today, give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please hit that little red subscribe button. I would love to have you stick around, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.
Hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark.